In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select sign in options. Underneath ways to sign in, select password and then select the change button. Enter in your current password, then select next, enter in a new password, confirm it, and then enter in a hint if you want. Select next to continue and then finish. And then once you restart your computer, the change should take effect. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.